heard Modern Warfare 3 just came out.
Yeah?
Well, I just unlocked the AK-47 scope.
There is a tornado in your area. Please take cover.
Something to do? Oh no! Who's there?
Oh my gosh, you were supposed to take cover. This is our take cover spot. Come on in here. Guys, when I sent you in here, you were supposed to get in the duck and cover, so you need to get up against the wall, duck down, cover your head. Things you might need in your safety kit. A small radio so that you can hear directions if you're safe to come out of shelter. Okay? You also might need a water bottle. You might need some snacks, something like crackers or other dry foods. You might need a flashlight in case of blackout like you saw before. Okay, you will need extra batteries in case your flashlight needs them. You might also want some form of entertainment like a book or some cards or any kind of games. It might be a good idea to have a blanket or a pillow. These are some items that you will need in your safety kit. Know the sound of a tornado warning. Be ready to take shelter. Take cover right away if you hear or see a tornado, and stay away from windows.